How to reset Snapchat password. So if you want to reset Snapchat password, then first of all you need to open up your Snapchat application. And now you can go for switch account, or you can go to the login page. So now after going to the login page, now here you need to enter your username or your email address on the first blank, and on the next blank you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password and if you want to reset the password, then what you can do is go for forgot your password, and now you can choose how you would like to reset your password. So you can choose your phone number, or you can also choose your email. So I'll be choosing email, and now you need to enter your email address, and after entering that you can simply click on send confirmation code, and now you need to enter the confirmation code that you have received to your email account. Simply enter that code here. So after that you will automatically log into your account, and now you can go to your profile, which is on the upper left, and then you can go to settings, which is on the upper right, and from here you can go for password, and from here you can change your password, or you can simply use your Snapchat account without changing it. So that's it. That's what you should do if you forgot your Snapchat password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.